Does everybody know what Duplex is? It's a type of stainless. So they use it a lot for tanks and chill water, or just like a cooling tower, different things. It's lightweight. It's not made for high temps.
Not made for high temps. Not at all.
And it welds. It welds funny, so kind of got to keyhole it, dip it on each side, and wherever you dip it, that's where it's going to stay. So it's real prone to getting chop wire, missing an edge. So it's kind of tricky to weld.
Very bad about sucking together too. This pipe is dull.
Yeah, we're going to quarter it. He's going to weld that bottom half. I'm going to weld this top half, the easy half. Here, you want me to put this wedge in there?
Open it up too much? You can't, Duplex. Might as well put a 1/4 inch gap in it.
Hold on, your feet.
Argon's heavier than oxygen, so the argon goes in, goes down, fills up the pipe, smaller vent holes are at the top, so it pushes all the oxygen to the top and out.
Some live Duplex, everybody. These are the giveaways. Make sure you share the video while it's live. We're going to give away some tools, 2-hole pins, a purge kit. If you're doing a lot of stainless, you need to get this. It diffuses the argon. 50 cal tungsten holder. Just share it while we're live, and then we'll do the drawing, 1 through 100. Give away some of this stuff. All right, watch out, Nick. Let me know if it's too cold or it needs to come up a little bit. Tomorrow, show them that 30-inch. We're gonna have a race. Who can, from bottom to top, he's gonna be one side, I'll be the other side. 60-10 downhill, 1104. We got some factory bevels here. We're gonna clean up, get all the dirt off of them. Can you see in there? What's the question? It says we got a question.
How much is a tank of argon?
About $100, depending on where you go. If you're an individual, argon's gonna be more expensive for you. The question was, how much is a tank of argon? So you're gonna have to check with your local. All right, so you can you can't really see it, but he's keyholing one side, dipping, and then going to the other side, keyholing, and then dipping, keyholing to this side, then dipping the wire, keyhole to this side, dip the wire. What is it?
Turn the light down and watch them weld from the inside.
You can do that, but I don't think you can do it while you're on a live video. Yeah, that's good. It's a little flat, but it's in there. It's not below flush. You'll probably use a little more purge. You gonna cut that tack out and then keep coming up? So we're welding some duplex here, 2209 wire. This stuff is, it's lightweight. I mean, it's lighter than regular stainless, it feels like. So if you're tuning in, you want to come learn how to weld duplex, we'll be starting up here at the end of this week, back to school. We got a special program now where you can pay by the week, meaning you just bring your check stubs in and we'll calculate it up, and a percentage of your check goes to the school every week. We got housing, so if you're coming from out of state, we got a place for you to stay. And that really helps people out. You know, it's the full course is $13,000, but a lot of people can't afford that, so we do is pay by the week. You can come in, some people's payments are like $150 a week. It's pretty cheap. There's that extension cord. All right. I turned his, he's running about 80 amps. We got another question. Yeah, somebody wanted to know what the heat was on. I turned it down to about 80. I'm blocking him. Go over there and show him the school why. Show him some of these practicals while he's cutting out that. Working from height, we'll put you in these confined spaces, working from height simulators. We got simulators like this all around the school. So every week you got to complete one of these. All right, let's go back over here. Just say, tell him to contact us by phone and we'll let him know. It depends. I don't know if you guys know this, but a lot of wire, if it's real critical welds, I like to take some Scotch-Brite and clean the wire, the filler wire, just depending on what's going on. You need another piece of wire? Yeah. There you go, there's a clean one. Look at my hood bib. Custom hood bibs. That's a Masonic hood bib. Any of you guys masons out there, you need to get you one. It's like 39 bucks. It just laces in. You ain't got to have, you see how it laces? You ain't got to have no rivets or anything. And it's lightweight. It's a good deal for the money anyway. Oh, if you want to, we're going to do the giveaways at the end. So if you want to win a giveaway, you have to share the video while it's live, and then pick a number 1 through 100. And then at the end, we'll show you my number, and then we'll reach out to you through Messenger. You just send us your address. It's usually the 5 closest people to the number. So you can look through the comments and see if you're one of the top 5. You need, and we didn't reach out to you, remind us, hey, I got one. We've been doing these giveaways every day for Monday through Friday. So we had some of these Black Mambas in stock, but they sold out already. So we got some of these Black Mambas with the red head on them. They're kind of like the lower grade models. We're gonna, I think we've got 3 of those in stock right now. I think those are $179. But they come, the Black Mamas come with a lifetime warranty. So it doesn't matter how many times you bust your T-rig, just send it back. We'll send you a new one. I'm not sure when the official open date is. We're going to be calling the students and letting you know. Right now we have a few students pre-testing to go out to Ingalls. So, if you're interested in doing that, you need to come see me. Oh yeah, it's nice and wide over here. You can try. It's got some high-low in there, so the pipe has some high-low. I don't know. I've never welded duplex before. I'm not gonna lie. You don't want to see this.
No, okay. Hey, do you think it's falling here?
Yeah, it's a little heavy.
Really?
Yeah, look.
Add some to where I didn't put it. Just slow it down. I'll work it.
Yeah.
Better get a little hotter. There you go. It is very much easier to backfeed, especially the bottom. And the side. The top, if you're not careful with backfeeding, it'll sink in.
Yeah, like it did with me. What happened there? Did it fall in?
No, you're good.
So I'm just going real slow. It's actually holding the puddle pretty good, better than I thought it would.
We're using that 1/8 wide, so.
I'm just walking this in, trying to keep the wire connected to the puddle. How's it looking?
Looks pretty good.
Except for that one spot. I had a uh-oh, so we would just cut that out. All right, I'm coming up to this bridge tack. It's starting to close up a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and stop it. Hey, if you got to put some high pressure on it, then go get another gauge and put the high pressure on it. Hey, I'm not gonna lie. Come here and show them this. It got a little hot on me and it fell in, but you know, at the end of the video, I'm gonna show you how to fix that. I'm gonna show you how to fix that without grinding or doing anything. Yeah, go ahead and bring it on up. So I'll show y'all how to. I put that in there on purpose so I can show you how to fix it.
Bill, hand me one of those tungstens.
That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. But I will show you guys how to fix that spot without any grinding or anything at the end. So this is a trick of the trade right here.
We'll try something that go hot and fast.
We need Mike Andrews. Where is Mike Andrews?
Slickest duplex welders there is.
Really? Like Andrews? I thought you said Nick Smith.
Hey, go get me a high pressure gauge for the argon and a new argon bottle so we can. Go get a bottle. All right, so tell them what you're doing now, Austin.
Alright, so I went ahead and turned my heat up. I'm going to try to go a little faster and push a little bit more wire.
Can you guys hear us? Can everybody hear us?
I wasn't quite getting enough on my last bit, so what I've seen tells me that I know that I need to push a little bit more wire, which is a little difficult to judge for me.
So this is the type of stainless called Duplex. 2209 fiddle wire. It's almost like welding nickel, but well, it kind of resembles. You know, that's how it feels like to me. It's not as heavy as nickel, but it kind of acts the same. It's a little different though. So tomorrow, me and Austin are going to weld off on this 30-inch downhill 1104. We're going to get it all cleaned up. He's going to start at the top on one side, and I'll be on the other. First one at the bottom wins. Yeah, here's another one of those hoods. We get these custom hoods. You can get whatever you want. Any Alabama fans out there?
Not me.
So you can get that. Here's some of the artwork. You know, you can get your name put on there. You just order one and send us the art that you want put on there, and we'll make it happen. Oh, and just so you guys know, yesterday we finished off the weld off. Here's the ring. You can see the root. I had a defect on my root at the start, so Austin is the winner. So I had one. I swear he tacked it up. I swear it's because of his tack, though. Well, whatever. You see the little spot I have where I started, a little piece of mist wall. It's because of the fit up. It has some high-low in it. He fit it up too. What'd you turn it up to? Bill, you got a flip up lens on that one? Will you grind this tack out for me? That bridge tack? You got to have a face shield on. It's right there. Bill. Here, I need a marker so I can write down the number. All right, so if y'all want to win some of the giveaways, you got to share the video while it's live, and then we're about to be finished here and let you see the number. You comment your number, and like we're giving away the 2-hole pins, Pipe Welder's Bible. Let me tell you about the Pipe Welder's Bible whenever you're done grinding. What?
I'm blowing a live TV.
Yeah, I don't see nobody else welding live.
Nobody.
Where's WeldTube at? Why aren't they welding live? Huh? I'm calling them out all the way. WeldTube. That should be, it should be out. Here, show them this. This is the Black Mama. It comes with a custom leather handle. You can get whatever you want put on the handle. Lifetime warranty. Superflex. Superflex.
Like that.
I'm not doing this one yet.
I'm about to do this. I just need it cleaned up a little bit. All right, here's the number. I got the number picked right now, so we're just going to weld a little bit more on this root, kind of let you see what we're doing. I'm about to weld that section right there. Well, while he's letting it purge some more, I'll tell you about the book. Yeah. All our students get these, but in the book, we got like 30-something different tests. And it tells you all the tips on like how to fit it up, how to do the cap pass. These are for tests out in the field. 6G stainless, multi-industry. And then there's a video. You can do the QR code. It'll take you to the video on the how-to video on how to pass that test. And like in the back, we got numbers for jobs. We also have like wire, what wire to use, the different tungstens and explanations, the different degrees for your tungsten, and then the wire. You know, like if you're welding this Duplex 2205, use 2209, and that way if you got any questions, just like a pocket reference for pipe welders. Yeah, I know. We give away free tools every day in hopes that, you know, people will buy some. You know, the school's shut down right now, so we're trying to focus some on the tool company and do these live videos, and, you know, every little bit helps. Spend your stimulus check with us. We've got you covered. All right. Here, let me show you guys how to check to see if the purge is good. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to heat up the tip of that rod, and then I'm going to push it down into the pipe and then pull it out. If it's shiny, the purge is good. You got to let it cool down all the way. Come over here and get a picture from the front. Yeah, it ain't that shiny. So we're having a couple issues with the purge. Somebody didn't get the high pressure gauge. Not going to name any names. So Duplex is a type of stainless. It's used on, pressure vessels and different things where high heat isn't, a thing. It's not good in high heat, but it's definitely different to weld on. If you've never done it before, it'll eat your lunch. This is my first time too, by the way. Oh yeah, and that mess up I had when I was teaching myself how to do this, I'm gonna show you how to fix that without any grinding. I put that in there on purpose so I can show you how to fix it. All right, well, here, I'm just going to weld this without... So, there's guys that have been welding at the school for these pre-tests, and there's no empty bottles in the empty rack. All the bottles are in the full rack, and they swear that they didn't put the empty bottle back in the full rack.
I ain't had to replace the bottle yet, so I can tell y'all. Steal my bottle.
Well, the struggle is real.
This man's welding.
Putting up with these guys.
Crazy sons of guns.
It's closing up on me. I'm really having to keyhole it.
Hey, Hunter, turn it up to 100.
No. I got it.
Gotta be. There's gotta be. Slick, ain't it?
Well, I'm keyholing on this side, so you know how I'm doing this. I'm going to keyhole it right on here on this side, and I'm going to have the wire just below face feeding and dip on this side, then come over here and dip on this side. And come over there, dip on this side, show them the top part up here from the inside. You got a flashlight? Look all right? It's not on. Flashlight's not on. So we put a little bad spot in it down there at the bottom.
I put a whole lot of bad spot in it.
All right, hold on. All right, so I got a little heavy spot in there, some cold wire. I guess we're just going to go ahead and wind up the video since we're having technical difficulties with the...
That's good, man.
Oh, it is?
You got 2 burgers on now.
Okay.
Layering.
All right, well, never mind. We'll show you in a minute.
Hey, I roll the bottom quick.
All right, well, I'm going to keep going.
Keep going. Get this root in there at least. Tomorrow we can take and show them how to cut out the bad spot and fix it.
No, I'm showing them tonight how to fix that spot.
I got a whole quarter I got to cut out.
I'm not grinding or cutting out anything. Imagine that.
He's going to try to suck it out.
This is my first time welding duplex. Did I tell y'all that?
Any questions? Any concerns? What?
Look at that.
Yeah,
It looks good.
spot looking like that too. It's sucked back.
Yeah, I don't know. The inside probably doesn't look that good. He's going to say a fisheye.
Well, you didn't let that start heat up. That thing is slick.
All right, here.
Cut this thing out.
What?
We gotta cut this tack out. Can't weld without cutting this tack out. You wouldn't have, it would have slammed shut if I wouldn't have cut it.
You need to put a wedge over there. Where'd that wedge go anyway?
As soon as I cut this thing, it's gonna close. You'll probably watch the video.
Watch out. Where's that hammer?
Face shield down.
Put your face shield down. I wish Evan was watching. We could show Evan this. Any Alabama fans out there? Yeah. It's like $40 for the leather. It comes with the lace, and you can get whatever you want, have your name on it, and all kinds of stuff. I got mine done. Yeah, Bill Dowling was making fun of my hood because I was wearing this one. He was making fun of my Harbor Freight hood. I told him it ain't the hood that makes the weld. Yeah, I'll move it. Let me know when you get close to it. Well,
You're right, hit it, take it out. Just go ahead and take it out.
all right. So we're doing some duplex today. This stuff it acts like kind of like nickel. It's not as heavy as nickel. It holds the puddle good, but if you add too much wire, you'll get cold wire. You'll get, it's real easy to get chop wire. Make sure you have a good purge. You need more heat? So here's some of the giveaways. While he's welding that up, we're going to do pipe welder Bible, 2-hole pins, the Dremel, spring loader 2-hole pins, a purge kit, like 5 things. So I'm going to pick a number 1 through 100, and if you share the video while we're live, and then at the end you pick your number 1 through 100, the 5 closest people to that number win, and then we'll reach out to you. You can reach out to us, give us your address, and tell us what you want, and we'll send it. All right, after he finishes this little bit of the root, I'm going to show you how to fix that chop wire in there without grinding it out. Now this is you have to be a master welder to know how to do this. Keyhole, one side, dip. Keyhole, other side, dip. Keyhole, dip. Keyhole, dip. Show them that 30-inch. We're gonna have a contest on this tomorrow. Who can get to the bottom quickest? 60-10 downhill. We got some factory edges. We're going to clean them up. Austin's going to start on one side, and I'll start on the other. And then we'll all be waiting on Austin to finish. I'm just kidding. He got me on the Inconel. I don't know. Here's a ring right here. I had there was some high-low in it from his fit, and I had a little bit of missed edge right there on my start. I'm not going to lie.
How many amps for the root? Right now I'm on about 90.
See, if I would have fitted, I'd have known the high-low was there. There, he got me again. He got me that last time, too, on that landing. It goes back to that old saying, if you want it done right, do it yourself. But, what's right to me might not be right to him, so you got to take that into account. Everybody welds a little different. He might like high-low. Apparently, he likes a lot of high-low. You can't see nothing while he's welding. The phone won't let you dim the screen down while you're doing a live video. That's the only problem. It's hard to get arc shots. We need to have another phone in here. That's what we're going to do. We'll start doing that, having another phone, getting arc shots, and then we can post it in the comments. He's on 100 amps now. It's closing up on him.